Malpe Beach, Udupi, of serenity and adventure. Malpe Beach in Karnataka is one of the unexplored beaches in India. Located at a distance of 66 kilometers from Mangalore and about 6 kilometers from Udupi, the Malpe Beach is an undefiled virgin beach. The beach has a never ending coastline which is surrounded by three rocky islands on the western side. Earlier, Malpe was a port on the coast of Karnataka, which is now an ideal destination for a holiday away from the hustle and bustle of the city. Malpe is the first Indian beach with 24/7 Wi Fi. It is also an important port and a fishing harbour in the state of Karnataka. The beach town is surrounded by four rocky islands, which includes Darya Bahadurgarh, Kariyallada Kallu, Daryagadara Kalute, Mary's Islands. Being the largest port in Karnataka, Malpe has a considerable population engaged in fisheries and tile manufacturing. The Malpe beach has a pleasant weather and clean white sand, which makes it ideal for a variety of water sports activities. It is a hidden treasure that lies in the state of Karnataka. The beach attracts water lovers to explore this virgin beach and indulge in some exciting activities. This beautiful beach is lined with palm trees and covered with a blue sky that provides a perfect picture for nature lovers. The beach is one of a kind. You can lie down and enjoy the sunset or indulge in water sports activities that will set your adrenaline pumping. There are a varieties of resorts and restaurants located on the beach which give you a breathtaking view and also provide a remarkable experience. The best time to visit Malpe Beach is between October to January when the weather is pleasant and the skies are clear. Avoid the monsoons and the hot summer months. There are various places of interest at Malpe. The scenic beach is one of the biggest attractions for tourists. In addition, there is St. Mary's Island, Ullal Beach, Darya Bahadurgarh Fort. Malpe also houses the temples of Balarama and Ananteshwara. Malpe offers a variety of adventure and water sports activities to indulge in. Bring out your adventurous side and make the most of these fun activities. Malpe is a clear beach with white sand which makes it ideal for swimming and long walks. It offers water sports, adventure sports, and the guest can also take a boat ride to the nearby backwaters. Malpe offers one of the best water sports in the calm waters with pleasant weather. Parasailing in Malpe Beach can be a fun activity. It is partially over the sea and partially over the beach. Parasailing is one of a kind adventure within the air and with the pristine view of the beach. Experience the beauty of the sea to the fullest as you take a stroll down the sea walk in Malpe. Take a trip to Malpe and enjoy the breathtaking views of the sun descending beyond the horizon.